Howdy folks, Brian Gunsmith 1 Windsor here. I've got my Phoenix Arms 22s here again. As stated in my previous video, you can't do anything with these without a magazine. Not rack to slide, anything. No ammo involved here. We'll put the magazine in. Take this safety off. Rack the slide back to make it easier to pull the slide back. There's a black lever here type. You pull it, you grab a hold of it, pull it forward, lift up on the barrel, and as you can see the slide will move back. Once you have it back far enough, pull the barrel out. Pull your string out, slide comes off. That's what you were pulling on to release the slide. And there you have it. Now after it's completely down like this, put the safety back on, you can eject the magazine.